Hello everyone. So in this module we are going to learn about Power Virtual Agents and AI Builder. So what do you understand by Power Virtual Agent? So what this tool does? So basically Power Virtual Agents is a Microsoft platform and it enables individual to create chatbots without extensive coding knowledge. So, for example, when you visit any e-commerce website, so nowadays it's very common, or when you visit on any bank website, so you will find one chatbot there. So, let me explain first chatbot. So, chatbots are basically a short for chat robot and is a computer program which is designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. So, like I was explaining, you will find some chatbots or help when you click on that. Some one pop-up will appear, and there you can type your query, and the chatbot will respond quickly. So basically, a common scenario kind of queries you can ask. So this kind of chatbots you can create with this Power Virtual Agent tool. And here we will also see about AI Builder. Now in this module, basically what you will see how you can create chatbot with Power Virtual Agents and Dataverse in Teams and AI Builder introduction. So the learning objectives for this module will be how you can use Power Virtual Agents, how you can perform, you can increase the performance of your business uh, with AI Builder, models used in Power Apps and Power Automate. So let's move forward and see how you can create chatbot with PVA and Dataverse in Teams. So this kind of UI basically you will get once you will sign up in Power Virtual Agents tools. So first you need to sign in, and then you will when you click on create a copilot basically a chatbot. So when you click on that, so this kind of user interface you will get. So here you just need to put the name you want to give your chatbot and the language you want your chatbot to respond. So from here you can change the language, and yes, you just need to click on create. Now let's move forward and first see Power Virtual Agents. So basically Power Virtual Agents, as I explained, is a tool within Power Platform, and it enables you to build chatbots without writing codes. So these chatbots can be used interact with users and automate conversations. So first of all, Power Virtual Agents is designed for users with little or no coding experience. So basically anyone can create chatbot if the person have does not have uh, information about coding and knowledge about coding, still that person can create the chatbot. So basically, you can create powerful chatbots using a visual interface, eliminating the need for traditional programming. So another advantage of this Power Virtual Agents is it you can integrate with other components of Power Platform, such as you can integrate this chatbot in Power Apps and Power Automate. So it will allow you to incorporate data, workflows, and business process into your chatbots. Bot building. So basically, you can design the conversation flow of your chatbot by adding topics, questions, and actions in a visual canvas. So these elements define how the chatbot respond to user input. Now you must be thinking what is topics, questions, actions, and other important thing which comes under Power Virtual Agents. So while creating the chatbot, you must be aware about the topics and trigger faces basically. So this is the first stage you can say while creating the chatbot. So basically topics and trigger phases are they define what your chatbot can talk about and recognize specific phrases to trigger those topics. So basically for example, if I am defining a topic weather, so the trigger phases phrases like tell me the weather or what's the forecast, so something like that, like this comes under that. We will see more about it in later slides. So connect to data. So basically power virtual agents can easily connect to various data sources like Microsoft 365, Dynamic 365, and custom connectors. So this ensures that your chatbot has access to relevant information, and your chatbot will perform according to the information on the user's queries. Natural language processing, NLP. So the platform includes built-in natural language processing capabilities, that it has default natural language processing capabilities. And what it will do, it helps your chatbot to understand and respond to users queries in a conversational manner. Now deployment. So once your chatbot is created, you can simply deploy your chatbot in various channels like Microsoft Teams. You can deploy your chatbot in websites or custom applications, making so it will what it will do, it will be it will making accessible to users whenever they are. So like if a user wants to uh, access the chatbot, like for example, anyone who is logging into Flipkart or any other uh, website, bank website. So the chatbot they have deployed there is accessible to each and everyone. So it is not limited to some users. So basically it is for public use. So this is what it means. Now monitoring and analytics. So basically Power Virtual Agents provides analytics tools which will allow you to monitor the performance of your chatbot. You can also track the interaction with the user. You can identify what is the current topic, what is popular thing, and it will make the improvement based on the real time data. Now, create chatbot in Teams. So, creating chatbot in Microsoft Teams involves using Power Virtual Agents, a component of Power Platform. So, when you are logged in Teams, so on the left hand side you will see three dots, and when you click on that, you will see apps option. And when you type Power Virtual Agents, so there you will find this option, and from simply you just need to click on add, and now you can simply access Power Virtual Agents from Teams. So here prerequisites will be like access to Microsoft Teams Power Platform environment with Power Virtual Agents. Okay, so like the topic I have explained here, you can see plus new topic from blank. So from here you can create new topics. Here you are seeing the topics which are already available in the chatbot, like greetings, goodbye, and report, issue location. So such kind of topics are already available. Here you can see phrases like in triggers, status, errors, everything is available. So this kind of user interface you will get when you are trying to create new topics. So creating topics is kind of important thing. Otherwise your only default topics which are already available in the chatbot will run. Okay, so let's create chatbot. So use Power Virtual Agents to create a chatbot without extensive coding. Design conversational flows, set up topics, and define responses. So here you can see that when you click on new topic, so here right now there is no name. So you can give a name for the topic, so you can easily identify for which topic you are creating, which topic you are creating basically. So here you can see the trigger and the phrases. So when you click on edit, for example, like I have explained, like if I am creating a topic as weather, so the phrases I will edit or I will add here as what's the weather today, or what's the forecast, tell me the weather, so something like that. Or I want to know Bangalore city weather forecast, or I want to know Delhi's weather forecast. So something like that phrases I will add here. So on the basis of my phrases, my chatbot will respond. So here you can add according to your requirement. Now, triggers, which defines trigger that prompt the chatbot to respond. Triggers can be specific phrases or user input that initiate a particular action or response, like I have explained with the example of weather. So something like that you can also create. Now you can edit existing topics. So like I was explaining here, you can see the greetings, goodbye. So these are some topics which are already available in my chatbot, default one. So I can also edit these existing topics according to my requirement. So for that, when you click on greeting, so one pop like this here you can see I am editing greeting topic here. So when I click, when you will click on greeting, so it will open like this kind of interface you will get, and here you can see the phrases already available here. And now you want to edit here, so you just need to click on edit, and you can add more phrases here, or you can delete the existing one, and you can add your own. And here you can also give one message like, hello, I am campus care support, a virtual agent. So something like that message if you want to showcase in your chatbot you are creating. So with the help of this plus button, you just need to click on plus, and here you will get options like if you want to add message, if you want to add question, if you want to add any other action. So something like that you can choose accordingly. Now let's move forward. So define topic action. So like I was explaining earlier, for each trigger phases, you need to define the action the chatbot should take. You can add message, you can add question, you can add power automate actions to create a conversational flow. User scenarios, so you can design user scenarios and conversation path to guide users through task or informational retrieval. Testing, so you can also test the chatbot, like here you can see test copilot. So when you right now I have already defined our topic as welcome to campus care virtual assistant. So this is the default message I have given. Now if you want to uh, test whether the topics you have defined and your chatbot is working properly or not, responding properly or not to the user's query, so simply you can test it over here in the platform. And now let's move forward. So like testing, I have explained. Test the chatbot thoroughly to ensure it responds appropriately to various users input and scenarios. So this is the chatbot I have created for College Campus Care. Here you can see first this was the default message I have given as like welcome to College Campus Virtual Assistant. So now I have typed as hi. So the chatbot responded, hello, how I can help you today. So these are all the topics which I have created. So on the basis of that, the chatbot is responding. So I have also created the responses the chatbot will give on a common user query. So now we will move forward and we will see about AI Builder introduction. So AI Builder basically is a Power Platform service, and it allows users to easily add artificial intelligence capabilities to their application and process. So it provides pre-built models, and it also provides custom models. So like you can create or uh, like for example, if I am choosing any AI, like these are the AI models available in Power Platform. So not only five more models are available. So you can choose either you can go with the pre-built, or you can edit the existing pre-built, like create you can create custom models with no code or low code approach. So where AI builders can be used. So in Power Application, so let's see Power Apps with AI Builder. So here we are taking our model as first one is object detection. So easily what it do, it easily integrate object detection capabilities into your Power Application. For example, if you want to identify and analyze objects within image captured by users, so here you can use object detection Text classification, it enhances your application by incorporating natural language processing. Classify and analyze text input for sentiment, language, or custom categories. Prediction models, so you can use pre-built models or you can create your own outcome. For example, you can predict whether whether a support ticket is likely to escalate based on initial details. So these are all AI builder presented in your power power platform, and on the basis of that, according to your use, you can simply use them. Now you can use AI builder in power automation also. So when you click on AI model, so this kind of all the models available in your power platform will appear here. Okay, so you can use automated workflows, like infuse intelligence into your automated process. For example, automatically route emails based on sentiment analysis using the AI builder text classification model. So on the for by using this, you can simply route your emails. Okay, on the basis of sentiments, if sentiments come with user sentiments. Basically here we are talking about positive, negative, happy, sad, something like that. Now data extraction, so it extract valuable information from documents or images. It automate the extraction of data from invoices, like you have invoice receipt, when you go somewhere, or when you order something on online, and you will get one invoice bill. So basically, you can extract the information present in your invoice bill with the help of data extraction. Decision making, so you can enhance decision making by incorporating predictive models. So for example, you can automate action based on prediction from a custom machine learning model. Okay. Now, how you can choose a model? So, AI Builder allows you to create and use various types of models to infuse artificial intelligence capabilities into your applications and process. So, the type here we are talking about type of model. So, first is binary classification model. So, the what is the use case of this model is it basically predicts one of two possible outcomes, so binary result basically. So for example, if you want to determine whether an email is likely to be spam or not, multi-class classification model, so which classifies input data into multiple categories. For example, it classify support tickets into different categories such as software issue, hardware problem, or general query. Regression model, so it predicts a numerical value or quantity. So for example, predict the price of a house based on features like square footage, number of bedrooms, etc. Text classification model, so it analyze and categorize text data. So for example, you can classify customer review as positive, negative, or neutral. Language detection model, so it identifies the language of a given text basically. So here you can determine the language of user generated content or comment. Key phrase extraction model, extract key phrases from text data. So for example, it identify important topics or subjects from a body of text. So basically these are some common scenarios on the basis of which these models are presented in the power platform, and you can use what according to a requirement. Now publish a model. So publishing a model in AI Builder, it involves making the trained model available for use in Power Platform application. So for that, first navigate to AI model. So first go to the Power Apps or Power Automate environment where you created your AI model. Now, how you can access the AI Builder? So in Power Apps, when you go to the AI Builder option, in the left navigation pane, in Power Automate also, go to the AI Builder tab. So in the left hand side, you will simplify the AI Builder option. Now you can select the model according to your need, and you just need to, when you select the model, you will get option like use the pre-built in model, or you want to create the custom one. So when you click on pre-built, so the model will open. Now look for an option like publish or deploy. So when you follow the prompts to publish the model, so simply you can process the simply you can deploy the model into the environment you want to deploy. You can also, after publishing, you can review the deployment status, which will ensure that the model is successfully deployed or not. And now after publishing, you can simply use the model into the app, Power App or the Power Automate in whatever environment you have deployed. Integrated with application. So in Power Application, you can integrate the model into Canvas app or model driven app. So in Power Automate, you can use the model in flows to automate the process. Okay. So like here we are using this AI builder in Canvas application and model driven application. Also, we can use the same model for the flows, automated flows in Power Automate basically. Test and monitor. So you can test the integrated model into your application, which ensures it behaves as expected. You can monitor model performance and usage within the Power Platform environment. So here you can see this is the Canvas application, and in which you can simply use the AI mod builder. So for that you just need to click on insert. So when you will click on insert here, you need to type, or you can when you will go scroll it down, you will find option like Copilot or AI build. You will find option like AI builder. So when you click on that, so from there you can simply uh, use the model which you have created into the application. So with AI builder, users can automate process, gain insight, and enhance their application by pre-built models, leveraging pre-built models, or creating customers tailored to their business needs. So here you can see in college campus care application also you are uh, having this AI builder option. So when you click on that, these option will appear like business, if you want to use business card reader, receipt processor, form processor, object detector, text recognizer. So when you scroll it down more, you will find more options like that. So you can simply use the AI builder accordingly. Let's move forward and we will see use AI model in Powerflow. So for that, you first need to go to Power Automate, and when you click on create a new flow or edit an existing one, so where you can add one more step when you're like if you are adding in a existing one, so you need to just add one more step where you want to leverage the AI model. Now you need to look for the AI builder connector or action in the available actions. Okay. Now, when you find this AI builder connector, so select this one for specific AI model you want to use. Now you can configure the inputs and output based on your flow requirement. And now when you click on save, and you can continue building your flow utilizing the AI model's result for decision making or other actions. So we will see more about this in execution part. Thank you.